My name is Samir, and I'm a current biology major in the NSM department at the University of Toledo. And I'm a current NSM student ambassador. So the reason you guys are watching this right now, yeah, I know, I'm sorry, is because I wanted to talk to you guys about a program I created called the NCP program, which stands for the NSM Connections Program, and this is run by other students at UT. And these are students in the NSM department. So the reason I created this program is to make sure that students have some extra support throughout their undergrad through mentorship, resources, other peers, and so much more. So about 2 years ago, I started my UT experience off as a CCP student, and I did not really have anyone to study with or discuss classes with because I was 16 at the time, and I didn't think anybody would want to study with a 16-year-old. And I did not realize how important that was until I joined a neuroscience study group the fall semester of my third year. And this helped me with understanding difficult topics and homework questions. And I feel that if I had those in like some of my hardest classes, I would have breezed through them. So with this program, you'll have access to many resources such as a Discord page that includes course forums that you could ask questions in. For example, I know a lot of you guys are taking Gen Chem 1, and from personal experience, it's not the easiest class ever. And what you could do is submit a question you have in that forum specific to your class that other students or even mentors that know the answer can get back to you and answer it. There are also resources through the program such as study tips, mental health tips, course forums for all NSM majors, peer groups that you'll be assigned in spring after completing a survey that matches you to a group of other NSM students with similar interests, and even a page that you could ask questions about college in general. And a student ambassador or mentor will answer, and it could be like any question. For example, how do I get involved in undergraduate research? Or like pre-med questions that somebody may be able to answer. So just general questions and any question, it doesn't matter at all. No question's a stupid question. And we will include the YouTube link at the end of this presentation that includes all the benefits and how to access certain resources from this program. And like everything will be on there. So next we have Sampriti, who is helping me bring this program to life, and she's going to be discussing some more about this program.
Hi everyone, I'm Sampriti, and just like Samir said, I really support NCP just because as an out-of-state student, I felt that I had a little bit of a difficult time trying to find my sense of belonging and finding out how I could manage my rigorous coursework. So being a part of NCP would probably have helped me as a freshman especially, and I think the highlight of my time here at UToledo so far was being in peer groups where I could learn about how to study for different classes, especially my neuroscience class, which I thought was really hard, and so did my peers. And being able to form a peer group and meeting new people helped me study better for classes and to connect better with people who are in those same classes and are on the same boat that you're going through. So I think if I was a freshman, I would definitely join just because of the peer group, but also you could potentially find an upper class mentor apart from your NSM 1000 peer mentor, which by the way is very helpful if you ever have any questions. But NCP is a little different because you can find people who voluntarily want to find other peers to help them with their classes. And maybe not even classes, maybe you're interested in research labs. So you could talk to other people, and if they're already in research labs, they could help you or at least let you know what they do in their research lab. And maybe that's interesting to you. There are also other things like volunteer opportunities or maybe clubs that you haven't heard of, but you know these peers are in. So I think it's very, very helpful for you if you are interested in joining, and I think it'll be an effective use of your time here at UToledo. I wanted to show you the NCP website because it has a lot of great things that you can use, such as the Discord, which is very important for the NCP. When you click on this button that says join our Discord, you'll be able to see the invitation that is sent for you to join the server and to have access to all the lovely things in that Discord server that was shown before. There's also a peer group match form, so when you click on that, you'll be able to fill out your academic and personal interests so that we can better match you into a peer group in the spring matching meeting. And then there's our YouTube channel, and we'll post a couple of videos and tutorials on how to use the website, the Discord, so that you can be successful through NCP. There also are other tabs that you can look through. There's a contact us form, so if you have any feedback or concerns, you can always email us and we'll be able to reach back out to you as soon as possible. So hopefully this website will help you succeed through NSM and NCP.
And just a quick heads up, The matching and peer groups will only be available for first year students, meaning it's your first year in college as a non high school student. But all other resources are available for students in the NSM department no matter how many credit hours you've completed, including the website, the YouTube, and even the Discord, and all of its features, which includes the class forums, where you can get help with your classes through a simple text, and the general questions channel, where you can get questions you may have about college or research answered by a mentor.
So if you're interested in joining the NCP, I would scan this QR code. That's the very first step. And this QR code leads you to our website, which includes everything from the Discord to the match form for a peer group in the spring matching meeting. And then also a YouTube channel that shows you tutorial videos on how to use the website and the Discord so that everything is very clear for you. So follow these 3 steps, and if I were you, I would take advantage of this, because if I were to repeat my freshman year, I would definitely join NCP in a heartbeat, because this is kind of like a bonus feature from NSM, and everything is free, so there's no need to worry about any extra costs or anything. You'll be able to connect with people and get to know about certain classes, as well as opportunities such as research here or volunteering, different clubs that are provided by this university. So definitely keep this in mind. If you don't want to join this today, you can always take a picture and join it later, but we appreciate your time today and your consideration in joining, and we hope that we didn't take too much of your time today, but thank you for listening in, and good luck here at the University of Toledo.